So, the markets are still on the up, still moving around in the macro picture. It looks like in December we will get a slight pullback somewhere down the line, and then she'll continue on with her Christmas rally. Well, we hope so, because we haven't seen much of a Christmas rally because there's been such a run-up before December. But in the macro picture and the money flows are showing that there'll probably be a bit of a comeback, and then and then she'll probably continue on upwards. Well, we'll see how we go, because it depends on January as well. Anyway, so if you look at the S&P, it started to come back a little bit yesterday. It has gone back up. It's moving in short-term trades, small amounts. In the macro picture, she hasn't moved a lot. The FTSE still trading in a range, and the DAX hasn't come into play. It's still hanging around, and it's going up. So we'll wait for that. There's no problem. We're patient. We're always patient. Today we're looking at a Forex trade, the Forex trade being the Euro Great British Pound. That one's looking like a reasonable trade. We were looking at it yesterday. Didn't come into play yesterday. So we're looking today. Don't forget, trading's risky. 80% of traders do lose money. You might lose money too. So if you don't like losing money, don't even bother. So the Euro Great British Pound, if we look at this trade, now remember, you always put your levels in place on the higher time frames, and you work your way down to open your trade and get a better position. So if you look at where the levels are, we're looking at getting into a short at around about 86, 86.20. I'll probably put a stop loss at around 86.70, and ride her down. I don't like to put too strict targets in place because I like to add to my winning trades, and even put trailing stop losses on them. But I will have a target in mind, and when she goes down through the 85, then I'll be quite happy, and I'll start playing around from there. You can look at the Aussie dollar as well. I tend not to trade the Aussie dollar too much because it's out of my time zone. So if you want to look at that, that has been on the move this week as a result of their interest rate decisions, etc. So that's also in play. The US dollar, don't trade every currency on the US dollar. There's no need for it. They're pretty much the same. The Euro US dollar is looking like a reasonable trade as well. Keep an eye on that. But as I say today, Euro Great British Pound, that's where we are today, and that's what we're looking at for the day. Trading is fun. Keep it that way. Go to the beach, put your alerts in place, and wait for the positions to come into play. Have fun. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, perhaps follow if you're on another channel, and enjoy. Till next time, bye. Oh, by the way, don't forget, it's Rob Guilty, Logical Trading. I hope I did introduce myself again. I tend to forget to do that. Anyway, bye.